Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all something amazing that I discovered online. So as you guys know, I am a beauty and skincare enthusiast and I love trying out new products from new brands. कोई भी न्यू लॉन्च होता है ना तो मुझे उसको ट्राई आउट करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है बिकॉज आई फील लाइक व्हेन आई ट्राई इट आउट, व्हेन आई सी हाउ इट वर्क्स, और मैं जब आप लोगों को उसका रिव्यू देती हूँ तो आपके लिए भी वो हेल्पफुल हो जाता है कि आपको उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करना है या नहीं. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई लव ट्राइंग आउट न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड जब भी कोई भी सेल होता है ना तो मैं बहुत एक्साइट हो जाती हूँ बिकॉज सेल का मतलब है यू गोना सेव ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. सो आई कीप एन आई आउट फॉर लाइक सेल्स एंड ऑफर्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स ऑनलाइन. तो जब मैं ऑनलाइन थी ना रिसेंटली, आई डिस्कवर्ड दिस अमेजिंग सेल, बाय टू गेट टू फ्री सेल ऑन फॉक्सटेल्स वेबसाइट एंड आई जस्ट हैड टू शॉप फ्रॉम देम. फॉक्सटेल ना एक बहुत अच्छा स्किन केयर ब्रांड है, बहुत प्रीमियम स्किन केयर ब्रांड है. और अगर आप देखोगे ना, इंडिया के जो टॉप ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर्स है पूरे इंडस्ट्री के, वो फॉक्सटेल के प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करते हैं, रिकमेंड करते हैं और बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं. फॉक्सटेल के जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो बहुत प्रीमियम क्वालिटी के हैं एंड दे गिव अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. आई हैव ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड देम आउट माई सेल्फ एंड आई लव देम. तो जब मैंने फॉक्सटेल की वेबसाइट पे ये वाला सेल देखा, आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड एंड आई जस्ट हैड टू शॉप. तो उनका बाय टू गेट टू फ्री वाला ऑफर है, विच मीन्स दैट यू हैव टू पे फॉर ओनली 2 products and you get a total of 4 products, which is amazing. It's a steal deal sort of an offer. ऐसे offers रोज नहीं आते हैं. So that's the reason why when I saw this offer I grabbed their products. मैंने instantly shop कर दिया and I have like 4 products on the screen as you can see. 2 मैंने खरीदे, 2 मुझे free मिले and it's sort of a once in a lifetime deal. So I'm going to be reviewing all these 4 products for you guys and इनके सारे links भी मैंने description box में mention कर रखे हैं along with Foxtail's sale link. उनकी website का link भी description box में है. If you want to like try out their products, this is a perfect time. Make sure that you buy like 2 products, you will get 2 free. and ये वाले offer को आप बिल्कुल भी मत जाने दो. If you want to try out Foxtail products, this is the best time to shop. So with all that being said, let me quickly dive into reviewing all these products that I got from Foxtail's sale. So the first product that I got is the Foxtail One Zit Wonder Acne Spot Corrector Gel. Now I have extremely acne prone skin and summers में ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा acne होता है. I get small zits here and there and very rarely I also get like those big pus वाले pimples and they just take like I don't know how many days to go away. But with the help of a product like this, सारा एक्ने, सारे पिंपल्स बहुत जल्दी चले जाते हैं. दिस इज़ अ स्पॉट करेक्टर विच मीन्स दैट आपको इसको सिर्फ अपने एक्ने और पिंपल्स पे लगाना है. अप्लाई इट देयर, लीव इट ऑन ओवरनाइट. आई लाइक टू अप्लाई इट एट नाइट एंड लीव इट ऑन ओवरनाइट एंड इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई गेट अप, जो एक्ने और पिंपल्स का जो साइज होता है ना वो काफ़ी रिड्यूस हो जाता है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक दिस आपके एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स काफ़ी जल्दी चले जाएंगे एंड मार्क्स भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. यू नो, जब आपको एक्ने और पिंपल्स होते हैं, काफ़ी लोग जो होते हैं वो उनको स्क्रैच करते हैं, उनको प्रिक करते हैं. सो डूइंग दीज थिंग्स विल लीड टू मार्क्स, बट अप्लाइंग अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक दिस will make sure that there are no marks left behind when the acne goes away. So make sure that you use a product like this, especially if you have acne prone skin. ये मेरे लिए तो बहुत handy आने वाला है, especially for the summer season when I have a lot of acne issues. जब भी मुझे acne होता है, मेरा सारा ध्यान इसी में होता है कि how do I get rid of it fast, because I just hate it when I get acne and pimples. Like, it makes me very conscious. So that's the reason why I got this and this is going to come really handy for me. इसमें azelaic acid है, AHA है and BHA है. Azelaic acid helps in treating the acne. It helps in killing the acne causing bacteria. It's got AHA and BHA which both help in gently exfoliating the skin, thereby making sure that the acne mark does not stay on your skin. So basically this helps in drying out the acne, getting rid of it faster and making sure that your skin is clear without acne marks. Okay, so the next product that I got is this Foxtail Vitality Retinol Night Serum. Now I have touched 30 this year, so I am aging, so is my skin, and for that reason I need to like start incorporating retinol in my skincare regime. Retinol is like an anti-aging active ingredient. एंड ये वाला जो सीरम है इसमें 0.15% ऑफ रेटिनॉल है, विच इज़ अ वेरी माइल्ड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रेटिनॉल. इट्स समथिंग दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट विद इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर विथ रेटिनॉल. इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर विथ एंटी एजिंग, यू कैन स्टार्ट विद कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लाइक दिस. It's got betaine and it's got कोकम बटर. सो रेटिनॉल हेल्प्स इन डिलेइंग एंड स्लोइंग डाउन द साइंस ऑफ एजिंग. आपको अगर कोई भी फाइन लाइंस या रिंकल्स आ रहे हैं तो वो पूरा प्रोसेस स्लो डाउन हो जाएगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ रेटिनॉल. अगर आपको कोई भी फाइन लाइंस और रिंकल्स ऑलरेडी है आपकी स्किन पे, देन उसका जो अपीयरेंस है वो भी रिड्यूस हो जाएगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ रेटिनॉल. It's also got betaine, and betaine helps to hydrate the skin, and it helps in improving the overall skin's moisture balance. So it helps in preventing dryness of your skin. कभी कभी क्या होता है, when you apply retinol, you will notice that your skin becomes quite dry, but with the help of betaine that does not happen. Retinol can also sometimes irritate your skin if your skin is too sensitive, but इसमें जितना retinol है, the concentration that is 0.15, that's not at all irritating. But even then they have also added betaine in here, and betaine helps in making sure that your skin's moisture level is balanced, that your skin remains soothed and calm, and it does not get irritated. And along with that, this also has kokum butter, which helps in moisturizing your skin. So if you apply this particular serum, I don't think you even need a moisturizer because it's that hydrating. It will act as a moisturizer, it will act as a soothing, calming product, and it will act as an anti-aging product. So it's got like 3 benefits all in one, and इसको आपको रात को use करना है. You're supposed to use it in your nighttime skincare regime. After you wash your face, just apply this. If you have the need to apply a moisturizer after this, you can, or you can skip it, however that you like. And you can apply an under eye cream, a lip balm, and go to bed. That is the routine that you can follow with this. Okay, so the next product that I want to talk about is this Foxtail the Milky Way Rapid Spot Reduction Drops. Now this helps in reducing acne marks, dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, any discoloration that you have. This will help in reducing that. तो कभी कभी ना मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेडनेस हो जाती है स्किन पे, स्पेशली लाइक ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन. आई हैव रोजेशिया and I get these red dots, these red spots on my skin, especially like when I'm exposed to the sun. Whether I wear sunscreen or not is like secondary, but I do get those red marks. So that's the reason why I try to avoid the sun as much as possible, but completely तो कोई भी avoid नहीं कर सकता. You have to go out sometime, right? So whenever I get those spots, that's the reason why I got this, to apply it during that time. So this helps in reducing any spots, in any discoloration, any pigmentation that you have on your skin. Even if you have like uneven darkness around your nose or around your mouth, if you have dark spots, freckles, if you have acne marks, if you have any uneven darkness, basically use this and it will help in reducing it. इसकी जो consistency है, it's so fun to play with. It literally feels like milk when you apply it, and I just love using it. I literally feel like I'm applying milk on my skin. It blends so seamlessly and it just feels so nice and hydrating. So I highly recommend this, like if you have any pigmentation on your skin. And the last product that I got from Foxtail's sale is this Foxtail Cover Up Mattifying Sunscreen. Now I have a lot of dewy sunscreens, hydrating sunscreens, but I do not have mattifying sunscreen. So that's the reason why I got one, just in case if I'm going to a place which is very 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 hot. अभी मुंबई में तो here it's very hot, it touches 40 sometimes. So ये वाला sunscreen मेरे बहुत काम आने वाला है. So the sunscreen contains an SPF of 70 PA4+, amazing amount of sun protection. Usually आपको 40, 50 या 60 SPF मिलेगा in like normal sunscreens, but this has an SPF of 70, so you get better sun protection. It's amazing for the hot summer that's going on right now. Along with that, this has niacinamide, which helps in controlling the excessive sebum production, therefore like mattifying your skin. It's got provitamin B5, which is very nourishing for the skin, and it's got vitamin E, which has anti-aging benefits. So this helps in giving you sun protection, in preventing tanning, in preventing aging, in preventing excessive oiliness on your skin, and keeping your skin matte for a really long time. So this is great if you have normal to oily skin, or if it's very very hot in your city, you can try this out. Even though it's matte, it does not feel uncomfortable at all. This is one of those matte sunscreens जो बहुत comfortable feel करते हैं. I've tried so many matte sunscreens and this one feels the most comfortable. So that's the reason why I love it so much and I highly recommend it. तो अगर आपकी skin oily है, या अगर आपकी सिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, एंड अगर आप एक मैट सनस्क्रीन चाहते हो, ये वाला डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना. So yeah, those were all the 4 products that I got from Foxtails buy 2 get 2 free sale. I only had to pay for 2 products. I got 2 other products absolutely free, which is the best part. So I'm really happy with the sale deal that I got, and I just wanted to like share this with you guys as well, so that you can also take the advantage of the sale and save on a lot of money. Foxtail is one of my favorite skincare brands out there. It's one of my favorite Indian skincare brands, and I highly recommend you guys try out their products. They are really good quality, very superior, very premium, and ये वाले सेल में ना you'll be able to save on a lot of money. You only have to pay for 2 products. You'll get 2 other products absolutely free. You can use my code and get the discount. So I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below, along with Foxtail's website. You can check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it about today's video. If you found this video helpful, if you're gonna take advantage of the sale, do hit the like button. Do let me know in the comments below which products you shopped for. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, please hit the like button. And yeah, that's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.